India's leading motorcycle chain manufacturer. Specialists in sprockets, tensioners, belts and scooter products. Catering to the needs of OEMs the world over. LGB, the proud premier manufacturer of automotive chains and sprockets under the brand Rolon. Rolon, India's #1 fitted chains and sprockets in OEM and aftermarket. The producer of a wide range of belts for scooters, cars, SUVs and commercial vehicles. Bringing the latest to your doorstep. Rolon now introduces 5G technology belts for scooters. Let's look at the 5 great qualities that make these scooter belts unique. Advanced technology in manufacturing. Better life. Smooth transmission with improved efficiency. Low noise. High temperature resistance. The added advantage is that these belts are manufactured with the best quality aramid fiber, making them extremely durable. Cords form the backbone of a belt. The Rolon 5G technology belts are reinforced with polyester cords to provide resistance to flex forces, fatigue and shock loads. And it does not stop with this. The belt's rubber is developed using advanced material and blended with aramid fiber for better heat and wear resistance. Did you know that the aramid fiber is the base material for bulletproof jackets? That is the strength Rolon 5G technology belts now get. Anti-slip rubber at an optimized angle provides for efficient transmission between pulleys. The polyamide fabric acts as a protective layer to the belt cogs, providing resistance against abrasion and cut caused by the impact of foreign particles and debris accumulation. An improved outer fabric provides for flex crack resistance and imparts an aesthetic finish that is premium class. Direction marking on the belt's outer fabric indicates the rotary direction of the belts in the CVT system. The belt's rotating direction should always be towards the cord winding direction in order to prevent the cord losing its binding property. The world-class manufacturing facility where these belts are made are backed by top-of-the-line R&D expertise in material science. The manufacturing process involves a series of steps from base compound selection, interneader mixing, calendering, jacket preparation, book preparation, building, pot curing, to sleeve cutting and profile grinding, each meticulously monitored to reach the highest levels of perfection. Needless to say, the quality of the Rolon 5G technology belts are monitored and fine-tuned at every step of the manufacturing process. Rigorous lab and field tests are carried out to validate stringent parameters. The lab tests cover compound homogeneous mixing, tensile, elongation, hardness, strength, stretch and crack formation in the belt. The field tests are carried out through actual fitment and performance monitoring feedback from vehicles in the field, assuring the finest quality of products in the market. Rolon 5G technology belts, blended with advanced features, manufactured to perfection and rigorously tested, ensuring a smooth, comfortable and safe riding experience. 5 great qualities that meet the needs of your scooters, and it's all only in Rolon 5G technology belts. The belts for the present and the future.